Are you looking into VA refinancing options but just don't know where to start? Well, I'll break down all the available options in today's video. You see, the VA has some really awesome programs to help you refinance depending on what your goals are. The two most common refinances are the VA IRRRL, Interest Rate Reduction Refinance Loan, or the VA Cash Out. Those are the two most popular ones. And I'll break down both of those, what their pros and cons are, and all depends on what your overall goal is. So let's start with the VA IRRRL. This is the second best loan there is behind the actual VA loan itself. You see, the VA makes it very easy for you to lower your interest rate when the market shifts in your favor. So for example, if you purchase in the last few years and dealing with an interest rate over 6%, that's exactly where me and my team are helping a lot of veterans save money each month through this VA IRRRL. Now, there must be a net tangible benefit for you to do this loan. Now, a lot of the times it's going to be lowering your interest rate by at least 0.5%. Now, does it always make sense if you're only getting 0.5% drop? Most of the time, no. I usually say aim for at least 1% or more and let the numbers tell you, because at the end of the day, while this is a very low cost option, you still need to make sure that the recoupment period makes sense for how the market's trending and your future plans for the house. So for example, if somebody approaches you and gives you an option to save $200 a month, but it's going to cost you $4,000, or add $4,000 to your loan balance, that's going to take you 20 months to recoup that money. Is it worth it? Just depends on your long-term plans with the property and how the market's trending. Now, this is also the loan that you're going to get a ton of mailers about, of like, hey, interest rates are back in the 3s and 4s, where a lot of the times they're going to charge you junk discount points and a bunch of lender fees, origination fees, all that stuff. You want to avoid those. This is not the loan to spend a ton of money on to lower your interest rate. Just wait for the market to go down naturally. Usually go with the lowest cost option here where it's going to make an impact. So for example, as long as that recoupment period is under 20 months and it doesn't cost you anything at closing, most of the time it's a pretty good deal. Now let's move on to the next loan, the VA Cash Out Refinance. This is a really cool one, especially now with credit card debt being at an all-time high and a lot of people living paycheck to paycheck. This VA Cash Out can really come in and help save a lot of people. So yes, while you may have to give up your glorious 2 to 3% interest rate, at the end of the day, it's a lot better financial decision to do that to pay off some debts. You see, in some states, the VA allows you to pull up to 100% of your home's equity. So that 100% cash out can be used towards debt consolidation, to do remodeling, to purchase a new home. There's all sorts of different things that you can do with this money that may be able to improve your financial situation. So for example, if you have credit cards, personal loans, things like that, where it's 10, 15, 20, 25% interest rates, and you're able to pull out money from the equity of your home and maybe take over a 6, 7% interest rate, but get rid of all those bad interest rates, you can save a ton of money. Because yes, while your payment's going to go up a couple $100s a month, it could save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars each month in your monthly obligations. The VA Cash Out Refinance is an awesome tool that taps into your home equity and potentially puts you and your family in a better financial position. But as always, please look at the numbers, see what you're saving each month, see what you're paying off, and see if it makes sense before you do this. So hopefully you got some good information in today's video. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, share. All of this engagement helps my channel grow and is very much appreciated. I have very big goals of making this channel blow up and helping lots of people and spreading the knowledge of home ownership. So please share as much as you can. And I appreciate all of you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.